Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to use Google Maps for trucks. First, it is important to understand the limitation. Google Maps does not support truck routing. There is no option to select a truck, and you cannot enter truck height, weight, or road restrictions. Because of this, Google Maps alone is not safe for professional truck driving. To solve this problem, we can use a truck-specific app called Trucker Path. Start by downloading Trucker Path from the App Store and opening the app. Go to the settings and select your vehicle as a truck. Enter your truck details, such as height, weight, and length. Make sure this information is accurate, because Trucker Path uses it to avoid low bridges and restricted roads. Next, enter your destination in Trucker Path. Let the app calculate the route. Take a moment to review the route on the map. Zoom in and check highways, exits, and any areas that may be tight or complex. This app will be your main navigation tool while driving. Now open Google Maps on your device. Enter the same destination address. Keep Google Maps in normal driving mode. You will not use Google Maps for routing decisions, but instead for live traffic updates, accidents, and delays. Before you start driving, compare both routes. If Google Maps shows a shorter or faster route that Trucker Path avoids, always trust Trucker Path. It is avoiding roads that may not be safe for trucks. Thanks for watching.